asunto-osakeyhtiö Hämeen portti.
It's very nice today. On the 18th of June 2023, we have Saimaankatu 5 Staircase C here in Lahti, Lahti, Finland. And I should have only staircases A and B left to be filmed here.
Yeah.
Staircases D and D are the ones that are at the base.
Yeah. Yeah.
And here's that's the Kone evergreen modernization here.
Yeah.
Built in 1947, modernized in 2001. It's in British 3936. Turned 75 years old in the last year, 2022, and the modernization turned 20 years old in 2021. It's going to be expected in 2025 with 5 floors. And it has a beautiful interior.
Yeah.
And the gated pattern on the inner door, that's beautiful. But the gate is better.
Mm.
Well, I think so far we have quite a good luck in Lahti today, but
Yeah.
except some of those MP6, but we can do them later.
Yeah.
I hope for good luck even later today.
Yeah.
Somewhere coming. Wait.
One right.
Yeah.
That's